This is the Nova 7i, the new addition to the Nova lineup that is known for offering good specs at decent prices. My experience with the Nova 5T, which was one of the best from 2019, was a really positive one. Let's find out what this device offers at this price point. Hello guys, it's Rickaquahog here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Huawei Nova 7i. If you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button. Let's explore this device together. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. Let's begin with the build and design. The Nova 7i comes in a variety of colors: crash green, classic black, sakura pink, which is what I've got here. The gradient color on the Huawei Nova 7i, according to Huawei, are as a result of a special manufacturing process which underlays the back of the device with a special film that produces a unique glare effect which improves the scratch resistance. Slightly thicker and taller than the Nova 5T, this device has a glass front, a plastic back, and a plastic frame. Taking a closer look, on the right side you can find a volume rocker and a fingerprint sensor tucked right into the power button. On the left side you can find a dual SIM card tray. Located at the bottom you can find a headphone jack, a USB-C port, a single firing speaker, and a microphone. Situated at the top is a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. The front of course is equipped with a 6.6-inch punch full view display. At the back we can find a quad camera setup and the Huawei branding below. The device weighs approximately 183 grams, almost the size of a Samsung Galaxy A51. This phone feels light to carry around, feels good in the hand, maybe a fingerprint magnet, but not so obvious to distract you. Now let's talk about the display. When it comes to the screen, Huawei packed a 6.4-inch LTPS Full HD display into this device. Colors are great and vibrant. The punch hole camera frees up the top region, providing an immense experience when using this device. Even when I tried to pixel peep, this device didn't fall victim. Bezels on here are moderately thin, being a little bit noticeable in the chin region. Still delivers an outstanding experience with vibrant colors with a 90.6 screen to body ratio. When outdoor, the screen is bright enough for easy visibility. Viewing angles are great, no color shift, sharp and amazing panel Huawei got here. Consuming content is a delightful experience. About consuming content, the speakers on here sound great. I like the fact that it's not too much on the high end and it sounds way better than most devices I've tried in the past. Now to the batteries. Huawei Nova 7i packs a large 4200 mAh battery, big enough to take me through the day and maybe the next if I don't use my device so much. It also comes with a 40-watt Huawei Supercharge support. We can charge to 70% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in about an hour. Knowing that I can easily juice up my device under an hour is an assurance that keeps me worrying less about my battery. The phone also comes with a smart feature which lowers your screen resolution to HD to save some battery. At this point, I must mention that this phone doesn't come with Google services, which is not the end of the world as this phone demonstrates. Huawei's new app gallery provides most of your favorite applications. As you can see, apps like TikTok, Jumia, Snapchat are already available, and very soon all other applications will be too. If you currently don't find an application you are looking for, I recommend you download the app finder in the app gallery that allows you to download every other application that you want. I must say the app finder looks good too. I'm going to link in the description my full review of the app gallery if I've already made it. Currently the world's third most biggest app store, the app gallery is looking good and I can't wait to see what the future has for this application. When it comes to performance, this device is equipped with a Kirin 810 chipset, an octa-core CPU, a Mali J52 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, Android 10 running the EMUI scan on it. Specs is just one picture. Road day use is awesome. Phone is snappy, everything feels super fast. app opening, switching between apps, everything flies. The Kirin A10 chipset embedded in the Huawei Nova 7i drives a powerful performance across all daily tasks. I'll throw on the screen the Geekbench and Antutu scores for the nerdheads out there. The EMUI 10 comes with a GPU turbo that boosts gaming performance and reduces battery consumption whilst gaming. My gaming experience was great. No lags, PUBG played smoothly. I must say I really like how fast the phone responds to everything you throw at it. Moving to the camera department, the Nova 7i comes with 4 cameras at the rear and a selfie poncho camera on the screen. The rear cameras are made up of a 48 megapixel wide angle lens, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, a 2 megapixel bokeh lens, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Pictures from the 48 megapixel sensor look good. Colors look true to life, and adequate amount of details and good dynamic range. Portrait does a good job at separating the subject from the background and retains adequate amount of contrast. Macro sensor didn't disappoint too, the pictures are good, dark mode pictures are decent. When it comes to video, both selfie and main shooter shoot at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Colors are great and sharp. So this is the front camera video test on the Nova 7i. Wow, the colors seem to be great. Let me know what you think about the sound and what you think about the video in general. Let's get interactive. Leave your comments or views in the comment section. For security, the fingerprint sensor is fast, like super fast. The Face ID also worked amazingly well, even in dark environments. I was actually impressed. So to sum it all up, this is a Lite flagship, looks amazing, the battery is great, great performance, nice display. The only drawback for most people might be the lack of Google services, but you can always find your way around it. Let me know what you think about this device. Would you get one for yourself? Let me know your comments in the comment section. This brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel, leave in the comment section your view, comments or anything. I'm always hanging out with you. Let's get interactive. Thank you for spending time with me and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.